2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Honda Shadow. In the ever-evolving landscape of beginner motorcycles, the 2024 Honda Shadow stands out as an exemplary choice for riders taking their initial strides into the world of motorcycling. Renowned for its classic cruiser styling, user-friendly performance, and Honda's commitment to reliability, the Shadow offers a harmonious blend of comfort and approachability. At the heart of the Honda Shadow beats a V-twin engine, delivering a balanced mix of power and smooth operation. With a displacement designed to provide manageable yet enjoyable performance, the Shadow caters to the needs of beginners seeking a cruiser experience without overwhelming power delivery. The result is a ride that is both accessible and engaging, offering a platform for new riders to build confidence on the road. Visually, the Honda Shadow embraces the timeless aesthetics of a cruiser, featuring a low-slung profile, classic fenders, and a laid-back riding position. The nostalgic design elements, combined with modern engineering, create a motorcycle that appeals to those with an appreciation for tradition while providing the reliability and efficiency expected from a contemporary machine. The Shadow's design not only offers a comfortable and relaxed riding experience but also makes a statement on the road. Comfort is a key consideration for beginners, and the Honda Shadow excels in this regard. The low seat height, paired with forward-set foot pegs and wide handlebars, contributes to an ergonomic and laid-back riding position. This setup enhances comfort during extended rides and instills a sense of confidence for riders navigating various road conditions. Handling is another area where the Honda Shadow shines as a beginner-friendly motorcycle. The cruiser-style chassis, coupled with a well-tuned suspension, delivers a stable and predictable ride. Maneuvering through urban traffic or cruising along open highways becomes an enjoyable experience for riders who are still honing their skills. Safety features are paramount for riders at the early stages of their motorcycling journey, and the Honda Shadow addresses this concern with advanced braking systems. The inclusion of technologies like anti-lock brakes ensures responsive and controlled stopping power, enhancing overall safety for riders in diverse riding situations. Affordability remains a crucial factor for beginner riders, and the Honda Shadow strikes a balance by offering a competitively priced cruiser without compromising on quality. This makes it an attractive option for those seeking an entry into the cruiser motorcycle segment without breaking the bank. In summary, the 2024 Honda Shadow stands as an exceptional choice for beginners looking to embrace the cruiser lifestyle. With its classic design, user-friendly performance, and Honda's reputation for reliability, the Shadow provides an inviting and enjoyable introduction to the world of motorcycling, making it a standout option for riders embarking on their two-wheeled adventures.